Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here with another review unboxing on another print-on-demand company, and we're going to be talking about Art of Wear. W-H-E-R-E, okay? Art of Wear, not wear like you wear clothing, okay? So a lot of people get that mixed up when I do say that. I ordered two products. I think I actually let you guys see me design it. It's a donut makeup bag and a leopard scarf. So these are two products that I got from Art of Wear. And if you're new to my channel, my little sticky note fell. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video, okay? All right, so I ordered both of these products on March 23rd, and they both arrived on April 13th. So it took 21 days for these products to arrive. Now, I don't know if that's because I was getting samples or is that the time frame currently that they have going on for their business. All right, so this product came from New York and it says AOW, Art of Wear. So I just cut the bag here so I can get the products out. So products both came. There's nothing else in there. They look like they both came in the same baggie here. So I'm gonna open this. And first thing is the pouch, the makeup pouch. I don't even know what size this is. I think this is the large one, but it comes with a little black tag on the side. It's one of those pouches where you can actually like sit it, so it can sit like this. There you go. So I don't know if this line is supposed to be there or maybe I didn't cover the whole design. I don't know. But that's there. The inside. Oh, the inside has... Wait. Oh, that's a lining. Oh, it has pockets. So it said machine or hand wash, denim dye, may run. Oh, so it's like... Okay, so I'm going to show you guys. It's like this cloth lining in the inside, but it has like a pocket here, and it has a pocket there. So it's like two pockets, and then a full side here, and a full side there. So it's huge, with enough room for you to slip something in the middle. The zipper is silver. I think you could choose, and I think you could have choose. I might have showed this when I recorded, but it's a nice size here, really nice size bag. Okay, so that's the donut makeup bag, and I'm assuming this is a scarf. So it came in this little here, doesn't say anything on the outside. It says machine wash in cold water with 1/2 cup of vinegar and 2 teaspoons of salt. Fill the washing machine with water. Machine dry, delicate hang. So this is silk, 100% silk. So here, so this is the print that I uploaded. It looks a little bit darker than the actual print, or maybe not, but this is super thin, really thin. I don't know. I don't even know what kind of scarf this is, but I don't know what I could use it for. It barely fits around my head. So yeah, this is a super small scarf, but the quality is really good. It's very pretty. Silk. Very pretty scarf. So that's that. Has a finished edge too. Yeah, so it's really thin and small. Can't remember. Oh, the scarf was $15. So for $15, I don't know how to use this. Like, it could do like this around my neck, like I showed you guys, but I don't know. It's like barely fits around my head. So I don't know. We'll figure it out. But it's cute. So that is the scarf, the leopard scarf, and the donut makeup bag. Okay, so definitely we'll be putting this makeup bag to use because it's a nice size. It sits up on the counter and has all these pockets. And I'll find a use for this leopard scarf because I love leopard. So I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing and review on some products from Art of Wear. Make sure you check out my other videos of Art of Wear showing you how to connect your Etsy shop, Shopify shop, how to set up a new account, how to upload your first products, how to design, how to create. Like, I have a good bit of Art of Wear videos on my YouTube channel. If you want to know more about Art of Wear, ask me a question in the description box and let me know if you purchased any product from the website yet. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.